One test in the podcast with me here, Alvis Villas. This is my first time in the podcast. Now I try to interview my friends. Hello Samuel, how are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm quite well. How is your trip yesterday?
I was fantastic. I never did those kind of trip. Thank you for your recommendation.
You are welcome. I would like to join you yesterday, but suddenly I got a headache.
Are you okay now?
It's okay. I'm fine now. I got medicine and it worked. Alright.
It's such a relief. Why didn't you tell me about this?
Oh, come on. I don't want to ruin to your excitement. You look so excited yesterday.
Yeah, but you have to tell me if you are sick. I feel guilty for leaving you alone.
Hey, I'm okay. How about a cup of coffee for treat?
Okay, I wanted to share about the world trip too. I wish me could doing it next time.
Of course, can't wait. Example 2 in the podcast.
Hey, how is it going, Mr. Elvis?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you too?
Yeah, I'm good.
How is your English class today?
It's bad. We have an impromptu test and I didn't prepare a thing.
Too bad. Why? It is so sudden. By the way,
Well, you know Mr. Elvis, she loves to make us panic. She said she wants to measure our abilities for the final exam.
I bet I have to get ready for her class tomorrow.
Yeah, better to prepare first before it's too late, just like me.
Cheer up, bro. It's just one test, nothing changed.
You are right. Better get ready for the final exam, Tauf.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me,